In today's video, I'll quickly show you how to buy hosting from Hostinger and get your website online. First, go to hostinger.com and click on web hosting. You will see different plans. The single plan for one site, premium if you want multiple sites and a free domain, and business if you need maximum speed and features. Pick the plan that works best for you and click add to cart. Now choose your billing cycle. Longer terms usually give you bigger discounts, plus a free domain if you select 12 months or more. Next, create your Hostinger account using email, Google or Facebook. Then choose your domain, either register a new one, connect an existing one, or use the free domain if it's included. Finally, complete your payment. Hostinger supports many payment methods, so checkout is fast and simple. And that's it. You've got hosting ready to go and you're just one step away from building your site. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more quick tutorials.